In this video, we'll talk about operators in C#. The first operator we are going to talk about is assignment operator, and this operator assign with equal to sign. For example, int I is equal to 1, 2, 3. So this value assigned to this variable, and this is assignment operator. So single equal is the assignment operator in C#. The second operator is arithmetic operators, and we have 5 arithmetic operators in C#: plus, minus, multiplication, divide, and percentage. For example, I'm gonna take a variable of integer a and it stores 200 in this, and b and it stores 100, value of 100 in this, and another variable of integer result, and I'm gonna store the result in this. Okay, for print console.writeLine and we have already learned how to use placeholder syntax. So result is equal to braces 0 and our variable result, and I'm gonna run this. Result is equal to 100, a minus b, 200 minus 100 is equal to 100. This is our arithmetic operator. The third operator we are going to talk about is comparison operators, and we have 6 operators in comparison operators. First is double is equal to, second is not equal to, greater than is equal to, less than, and less than equal to. So for compare two numbers, we use double equal to. For example, I have integer I equal to 10, and I want to check if the number is equal to 10, then I simply use double equal to. I equal to double equal to 10. And the other hand, if I want to check not equal to, I use not equal to instead of double equal to. So similarly, we have other comparison operators. The fourth operator we are going to talk about is conditional operators, and we have 2 operators here, and not the pipe symbol. For example, we have 2 numbers. First number is equal to 100 and the second number is equal to 200. And if I want first number to be 100 and second number to be 200, all I want to do if f number equal to 100 and second number equal to 200. In this case, the both conditions should be satisfied. Let me print this. Console dot write line done, and I'm gonna run this program. Because the both conditions are satisfied. If we change this to 300, so the stored value is changed, now changed. Now we're gonna run this and see what happens. It brings nothing because this condition is not satisfied in this case. And instead of and, if we use or, for this any of these conditions are satisfied, then it exactly execute the program. Let me run this. It brings done because this condition is satisfied and this is not satisfied, because we have changed the value of second number. Okay friends, that's all for now. Thank you.